Welcome back. In today's Linux administration lab, we'll learn how to change a user password using the Passwd command to help maintain account security and access control. Let's get started.